another Yeezy.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And today we coming back to back like Drake, man. It's really hard for me to get these back to back videos, but I had to do it, man. I've gotten all of this early heat this week, man. It was Air Max Day yesterday, and so I didn't think it was appropriate to bring this shoe to yesterday, but definitely today, man. You saw in the description what these guys are, man. So let's just get straight into the shoe, man. So what we have here, man, is a standard 350 box. I have to look at it that way because I can't tell if it's upside down for y'all or not, man. You see the boost on the side, and these are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the clay colorway, man. This is a size 11. We'll get to an on foot and sizing thing, man, towards the end of this video, because the V2s have been changing, man. When they first came out, I had to go like a full size up. And here lately, I've been going about a half size, and it's been working okay. So hopefully this 11 works for me, man. I generally buy 10.5, so I know in the 700s, the 11 is perfect. So hopefully it's the same with these guys. I think they've been kind of adjusting the toe box a little bit on these. If you remember when the V2s first came out, man, that toe box was super tight. So not gonna go through the box any more than that, man. Inside the box is a standard paper like it always is, man. And here you have these guys, man. So these are the clay 350 V2s, man. My first impression of them is, I think they're dope, man. I can see a whole lot of similarities with the static pair for sure. All of the pattern, the see-through on this stripe here, the way the knit upper is put together, man, this reminds me an awful lot of the static. The one thing I can tell you about this shoe, just from other reviews that I have seen, is there is no 3M on this guy, except for right here on the inside with the 3 stripes, like with all the pairs. But other than that, man, there is no 3M like with the static 3M pair. This is just, you know, it is what it is. So this colorway, man, let's get into this colorway. I know it says clay, but to me, I don't know how it's coming off with the lights in the camera, man, but to me, this puts me in the mind of a peach type colorway, man. What I do like a whole lot about it is the insole, man. The insole and the sole on the bottom is all translucent, so you can see straight through. Let me get a little closer, man. You can see straight through to the boost, man, going all the way around that guy, man, which I think is super dope, man. It's small little details that really bring stuff together for me. I'm not really sure how I feel about this pull tab being such a contrasting color, but I'm sure it can work. I know that's probably bright. Let me try to get it closer and out of the light. See if I can adjust my light here. So you can see how much of a contrast in color that thing is, man. But overall, I like the shoe, man. It's definitely like with the last pair of shoes the last pair of Yeezys, the 700s, the Geodes. You know, I feel like that was a fall to winter shoe. I feel like this can definitely be a spring to summer shoe. It can probably go both ways, to be honest, because it's neutral enough color to where you can rock it with some, you know, with some monotone colors, or you can rock this with some bright colors, some whites and some, you know, oranges and all that type stuff, man. So as far as the wear, I think you can do a lot with this shoe, man. But other than that, man, everything is pretty standard to a Yeezy 350 V2, man. Like I said, it does follow the pattern of the last couple releases. Now this is part of a pack. They have 3 different shoes releasing of these. I'm not sure of the release dates on the other 2. but I'm gonna assume they're on the 30th because these release on the 30th here in the States. You have this pair right here that releases in Europe, and I think this pair right here is pretty decent, man. If I could get my hands on it, I would definitely love to have it. I don't know what resale is gonna be, so we'll have to check and see on that. And then you have also this pair right here that releases in the Asian market, and I like this one as well, man. You know, I'm thinking that these three shoes may be the last of the V2s, man. I know there was all over like neon, like glow in the dark type V2 that was rumored to come out. I think there's even been an image or two. If I can find that image, I'll pop it up right here. I think this might be the end of the line for the V2s, man. I would not be mad if it is. I would definitely be happy that I have this pair if that's the case, but you know, I'm not sure, man. Who knows what Kanye and his camp have planned for the 350 market, man. And maybe if V3 come in, or maybe they just gonna move it a whole different direction and give us some kind of 1000 or something or something else, man. Who knows? But these guys, man, they will be releasing this Saturday, the 30th, man. And hopefully you guys do your due diligence and you can grab a pair of these if you are planning on grabbing them. I know the Geodes, man, I'm thinking the price point may have kind of scared a few people off, man. They're still available in quite a few places. I've seen them, you know, all over the place. I mean, both of the 700 V2s are worth the cop to me, but you know, I like Yeezy, so who knows, right? But as far as these guys go, man, they definitely worth a cop in my opinion, man. It's something different. And y'all know how I get when it comes to something different. Just like those Tinkers back there, a lot of people were sleeping on those guys. I think when they see those things on feet, they're gonna change their mind about them, especially UT Ward. We'll see though. We'll see how the homie really feel about it once they come out. But Yeezys, man, in the building, man. Y'all let me know if you're gonna go for these, man. What you think about them? If you think they're gonna sit, if you think they're gonna sell out, man. Honestly, I don't care whether they sell out or not. Like I buy shoes because I like shoes, not necessarily because of, you know, what somebody else thinks about the shoe. Like they can hate the shoe. It's not going to deter me from buying the shoe if I like it. So hopefully y'all the same way, man. And if you like these guys, you go get them. You know what I mean? So other than that, man, we got these Yeezy Clay V2s early, man. Get to this quick on feet so y'all can check it out, man. I'm not even gonna change my socks. I got on some red socks because you see the fit. I had the red and the white going, so we'll see if the red comes through on the shoe, on the on feet. But let's get into this on feet. So a couple things I noticed about these shoes, man, once I did do this on feet is, first and foremost, man, from the top view, I'm not sure if that's coming off looking like a pink to y'all on camera, but it definitely looks like a pink when you're looking at it from an over the top, which doesn't bother me one bit, but that might make a difference to y'all, man. So that's one thing. Second thing, sizing. They definitely changed the sizing on these guys, man. So I've got these Oreo Yeezys, man, are an 11, as are these guys. But for some reason, man, I don't know if it's the materials or what, man, but these fit true to size. I had to go, I should have probably gone up 2 sizes. I've gotten to the point where I could wear these, but I almost had to take the insoles out of these Oreos when I first got them, man. And even still to this day, after lots of wear, my toe still goes all the way to the edge on these guys. So they did fix the sizing on this V2, man. So I think you can go true to size with these guys and be okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put that out. That is definitely a big difference between this version and the other one. 10.5 and this would have been perfect. Other than that, man, that's it. Like I said, drop a comment, man. Let me know if you're gonna go after these. They do release this Saturday, the 30th of March. And good luck, man, if y'all trying to get these guys, man. So that is it, man. Once again, Dad Cam Solo Dolo. Holla.